Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by checking Essentials, Android 7, 0 or newer, and the Google app. Once confirmed, open Settings and grant microphone and location permissions so Assistant can hear and provide context. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use. That syncs preferences and devices. Next, connect to Wi-Fi to download any updates. Once done, launch the Google app, tap More, then Settings. That's where you begin configuring Google Assistant now, so go ahead and open it. Now you'll configure the core settings for reliable use. In Google App Settings, enter Google Assistant and select Voice Match so the phone recognizes your voice. This improves security and responsiveness. Then choose Language and Preferred Input, Voice, Keyboard, or both, because that determines how you interact. Go to Assistant Devices and pick Phone. Enable Personal Results so it can read your messages and calendar. Once these are set, test with Hey Google to confirm the Assistant wakes. Finish by testing practical commands. Set an alarm, call a contact, and ask for navigation to ensure everything works. Next, enable routines and create at least one shortcut to automate frequent tasks. This saves time and shows why Assistant is useful. Make sure Google app is up to date to avoid bugs. If something goes wrong, reset the voice match model or clear the app cache, then restart the phone. That usually resolves recognition and permission issues quickly, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.